Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are met. Charge to at least 50% or plug in, and join a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Once done, open Settings, then Software Update to check for available updates. This is how you fetch the latest firmware. Make sure to back up critical data to Samsung Cloud or Google Drive before you tap Download and install, because updates can sometimes reset settings, so it's safer to have a recent backup ready. You'll see the update begin downloading. Monitor progress and avoid heavy apps to keep system resources free. Once the download finishes, choose Install Now or Install Overnight. Installing overnight is convenient because it reboots the phone and completes the update without interrupting your day. During installation, your phone will reboot several times. Do not unplug the charger or try to power it off, because interrupting installs can corrupt the OS. After the final reboot, the system optimizes apps. That process can take a few minutes, so be patient. Once your S10 Plus finishes, go to Settings, right arrow About Phone to confirm the new Android version and security patch were applied. You should resync accounts, check app permissions, and test cameras and calls to ensure everything functions normally. Updates sometimes reset permissions or require app updates. If you encounter problems such as a boot loop or severe instability, try booting into safe mode to isolate apps. If that fails, back up data and perform a factory reset from recovery mode as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.